Hey, welcome back. Today, we're going to look at how to deposit funds into your Bybit account and use them to trade. I've recently received questions from friends about this process, so I thought, why not make a video to explain it clearly? Step 1, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the home page. Step 2, click the deposit button. In the top right corner of the home page, you'll see a yellow button labeled deposit. Go ahead and press it. Step 3, choose the fiat deposit option. You'll notice that Bybit offers the option to deposit in crypto. However, today we'll be depositing through fiat, regular currency. At the top of the screen, you'll find the fiat deposit option. Click on it. Step 4, select Ideal as your payment method. Here you'll have the option to deposit using Ideal or SEPA transfer. For this demonstration, I'll deposit €100 using Ideal. Select Ideal from the available payment methods. Enter the amount you want to deposit, €100 in this case. Choose your bank details. I'll blur mine for privacy. Press Next. Step 5, confirm the transaction. You'll be taken to a confirmation window. Double-check the details, then press Continue. A new window will open, allowing you to complete the payment through your bank. Step 6, wait for the deposit to process. Your payment should go through within a few seconds. Once it's processed, click View Asset, or go to the Assets tab in the top right corner. From there, select Funding and then Fiat. Step 7, transfer funds to your trading account. In the Fiat window, you'll see your deposited amount. On the right-hand side, click Transfer. Ensure you're transferring funds from funding to trading. Press Confirm. Now your deposited amount will appear in your trading account. Step 8, use your funds for trading. To demonstrate, I'll use my €100 deposit to buy some USDC, which I can stake later. At the top right of the screen, you'll see my €100 balance. I'll trade it for USDC, and that's it. The process is complete. And we're done. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. As always, if you don't have a Bybit account yet, I'd really appreciate it if you used my affiliate link. It supports the channel. See you in the next video.